everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my Ipsy Glam Bag X unboxing. And so that's a new box for this month, first month that is out, so I'm super excited. And I did do the video a little bit different. I actually have all the products on my face. So we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. Typically unboxings, try-ons, or reviews of the products that I really love. I would love for you to join my family, so please click the subscribe button down below. It would mean so much. And without any more talk, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the box. So this is a new box for Ipsy. It started literally for the month of February. And it came in a big purple box, which I'm not mad at, that says Glam Bag X. So this is a quarterly subscription that takes the place of the Glam Bag, I don't know what it was called prior, where it was monthly. So now this is a luxe version that is every quarter. It is $55, which I do think is a little steep. However, the overall products that you get are supposed to be higher end, and you get more of them, so the value is higher. Like I said, I do have all the products on my face, and I will talk about what I thought about all of them as we go through. So let's go ahead and jump right into the first product. And so the first product that I have is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Palette. So I believe the original palette came out about 4 years ago, and it was just the rose gold palette. And then they did the remastered palette about 3 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, and based on that, Huda Beauty redid the shimmers so that they were supposed to be able to be applied with a brush or a finger. I will say when I was using the shimmers, they apply significantly better with a finger. Even though you can use a brush, they don't have that oomph as when you use a finger to apply them. And I'll swatch them for you in just a second. And then they did reformulate the mattes in the remastered palette. They are a little more pigmented, and they are supposed to be more blendable. I do have it on my eyes today. I do think the look is pretty. I liked overall, so first of all, let's talk about the palette itself. I think the palette itself is beautiful. There are some embossed roses on the front. When you open it up, it comes with this beautiful, like, cellophane, and that's not the right word, but anyways, it's a little thicker than just the thin plastic with the same picture on the front, which I think is beautiful. A nice big mirror, I won't blind you guys, and then of course here is the color palette. Very rose gold, obviously. They do come with a black, which is nice, some darker, more neutral colors, and then beautiful array of pinks and shimmers. So again, I do think that the shimmers are much better with your finger, and they are very, very soft. So when you touch them, it definitely indents, but they are beautiful. I do think some of them are softer than others, if that makes sense. So like this one is much softer than the one I swatched first. I do think that the mattes are beautiful as well. So here is that hot pink color, and they all are very, very pretty. I do love that they have a black in there, which I did use as my eyeliner and kind of faded it out for that, not really fox eye, but that fake eyeliner look, but without eyeliner, which I loved. I think overall the look is beautiful. I think the palette is really nice. I do know, I did watch a couple of reviews, particularly from people like Kelly Strack, who said, if you have the original palette, don't go out and get the remastered. It's very similar. Don't spend the money. If you're going to buy it, buy the remastered. This is an older palette though. They know Huda Beauty has come out with all kinds of others, but I do really enjoy this. I will use this, especially as we go into spring and summer, particularly for some of the shimmers that are beautiful. Absolutely will use it. So first product I love. I think it's great. Next product in here is the Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. So I wanted to make sure I got all of that out. And so basically this is going to help massage in any of your products, your serums, your essences, all of those kind of things. And I don't have batteries in it, unfortunately. this house is out of batteries. I know that y'all can understand and feel my pain. Batteries are hard to come by. But this is what it looks like. It is beautiful. It has a nice rose gold, a pink bar with rose gold on the ends. So that's rose gold. You put the batteries in here, and this is where you'll control it. And this part vibrates as you go across your skin. So it kind of pushes the product into your skin a little bit more. I actually will use this with it being metal as well. It is a little bit cooling. Particularly, it fits really well under the eyes, which I like. Please be careful. It does vibrate, but I think it's cool. I like it. I certainly am looking forward to trying it with my products to see how it does. I don't think it's something that I'll use in the morning because, well, I'm lazy in the morning, but I definitely will use it in my nighttime routine. I do think that is a cool added tool. Not really makeup, but certainly a tool that I will absolutely use. So second product down. Third product, which I am in love with, is the Patrick Ta blush. So first of all, the package front and back is gorgeous. It is in the shade, let me make sure she's adorable. It is definitely a more shimmery blush. I love the packaging. That rose gold pink packaging is stunning. It is a nice feel. It's not magnetic, but there is a closure there so you can travel with it. Inside is a beautiful full-size mirror and then a very generous pan of blush. I will swatch this. You can build it, so the first time you put it on, it's a little bit lighter. It will blend out kind of. It is more of a satin versus a matte, but you can build it up as well. And I just think that is the prettiest kind of corally pink color, apricot color. I do have it on my cheeks today. I just think it's stunning. I love it. Love it. Patrick Ta, love it. Will absolutely look to get more products. I was loving, super excited about this. I think it looks beautiful on the face. So excited about that. My next product that I have, which I used and actually really like, this is the About Face Matte Paint It Lip Color. And I do believe this is Halsey's line, her new line of makeup. This is a matte lipstick. And so I do have to say it is very, very matte. The color, I have it on today, is beautiful. It is that like rose pinky color. The cap is very similar to what's on the lips. I did need to put a little bit of gloss on because they were matte and it is drying. So certainly it's not something that you'll wear every day. I do love it though, particularly for mask season, because it does not come off. It does dry down. It is beautiful. It is peppermint infused, so you do smell that peppermint, which I actually really like. It has a little cooling menthol feel from the peppermint, which will increase the circulation in your lips and all this stuff. Although this does not claim to, it will make them a little fuller, but it is a very mild peppermint smell. It's not anything serious. The thing that I love about this the most is the applicator. So there is the applicator. It comes into a perfect little point so that you can line very lightly around the lips and get a very precise point, very precise outline of the lips. And then there is enough product with one dip that you can do your whole entire lip without dipping in again. The color is very, very pigmented, so one swipe, it is on. It is gorgeous. I do really like this. I really like the color. I like the application of it. The only complaint for me is I do have very dry lips, and it is a drying product. So for those of you that don't like a matte, really dry down lip stick, lip color, whatever, you might not enjoy this as much. I do like the color though, so I'm definitely gonna wear it. I enjoy it. I mean, so far we've got quite a few hits. The next product is something that I actually chose. So I did not have very many options when I got to pick. There were quite a few products that were already sold out, and my option was Beauty Blender, and I don't even remember what other one. So I did pick the Beauty Blender. It is the Queen Beauty Blender. I know that I enjoy the Beauty Blender already. I am a Beauty Blender fiend. It's a Beauty Blender, but in a Queen container. It's a beauty blender, which I like. A beauty blender, $20. It's good. The next product that I also chose is the Yensa Pink Lotus Under Eye Cream. And so reviews for this are kind of inconsistent. Some people really like it. Some people do not. Again, quite a few of the things that I could choose from were already not an option. They were out of stock. So this is what I picked. I don't know that this or the Beauty Blender would be things that I really wanted in a makeup box because I already have Beauty Blender, so I'm not mad at it. It's just I would have liked something different, and I don't really like Yensa products. I know that's terrible. I'm sorry. I had a lip oil that I've gotten I don't really enjoy. There was another product that I've gotten. It's okay. I absolutely will try it. I always am up for a good eye cream, so we'll try it and see what I think about it. I just would have rather picked, especially for a premium quarterly box, something makeup, something a little more high-end. This is my one disappointment here. The next product, again, was one that I could pick, and you could pick from several different hair care products. So this is the Air, A-I-I-R, textured, infused with quartz and mica. This is your new secret weapon for creating tousled texture and perfectly imperfect styles with textured volume that lasts. Our advanced formula is infused with mica to instantly add brilliant shine and reflection, while quartz cleanses the kind of negativity and inspires positive feeling and thought. So certainly with mica, it will shine a little bit, but it'll be flecks of mica. I haven't really sprayed this yet, so let's spray it right on my hand here and see what it looks like. It is a little bit wet, but it will dry down, of course. It smells like alcohol. It smells very majorly of alcohol, and I don't know that I see a ton of shine on there. There's not a lot of residue left behind. It does take quite a bit of time to dry because this is still wet, but I did hold it pretty close. You're supposed to hold it 6 to 8 inches. So we'll see what I think about this. I'm not completely convinced here. I do like the idea of quartz. Recently I have become more into crystals and kind of what they do. Quartz is a kind of purifying crystal, so I like that idea, although I'm not sure I like it in my hair per se. But we'll see. We'll try it. We'll try it. And then the last product, which I do not have on, is the Pat McGrath mascara. I'm so excited to have a Pat McGrath product. I like Pat McGrath. It's just far too expensive for me. I would love the new eyeshadow palette that's out, but I think it's like $148 or something like that. And I can't justify that. Maybe, I don't know. I just can't. At any rate, I am excited to try this. I know that lots of people have raved about the mascara. I will open it up here. I think that it's cool that it comes in its own little blue package. So scissors to get it open. I was thinking it had like a little tear spot, but it does not. The packaging is beautiful. The mascara bottle is beautiful. It is black with that gold. I don't want to open up the mascara because I have so many open. I don't want it to dry out, but it is the Fetish Eyes Mascara by Pat McGrath. And those are all my products. I do have one other thing to go over in here, and so all of them are on my face, of course, except for the mascara, so I'm excited about that. They do include in the Glam Bag X kind of a little like newsletter thing with expert artistry. So Patrick Ta is the one who is the curator of this box, why he picks certain things, what the different options were, and they do tell you the price. So the Pat McGrath Labs mascara is $30. The About Face Painted Matte Lip Color is $22. The Complex Culture Massager is $58. The Huda Beauty Remastered is $65. The The Patrick Ta Velvet Blush is $32. Then you had I would have loved to have the Tula skincare. It was already sold out. I love Tula products. I did get the Yensa eye cream. It's $48. The Air Texture Spray, which is $28. And then you were supposed to be able to choose either the Lash Bay Serum, Velvet Scrunchies, or a little makeup clutch. Those things were almost all sold out, and that's what are all out of stock. And the Beauty Blender was your other option. So that's what that is, and I know that that Beauty Blender is $20. So overall, a good amount of products. So overall, after adding all the products up, the total amount that you get, or the value of the box, is $303. So definitely way more than $55. I do really like the box. I said the Yensa and the Beauty Blender were the only I like the Beauty Blender. I would have liked something else. The Yensa is not really my favorite. But I need to get on and pick quicker next time, and I need to remember that. So on the day when you can choose your products for your Glam Bag X, make sure you're early to the gate so you can get top choice of all the products. Overall though, I love the products on my face. I absolutely will reach for the Huda and the Patrick Ta. I'm loving the Patrick Ta, as well as the matte lip color. Those are my favorites from the box, absolutely. And I'm excited to try the Pat McGrath, so we'll have to see how that works out. That's my boxer, sorry, she's coming in to say hi. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Drop me a line and let me know what you thought about the Glam Bag X, if you think it's worth it. Have you guys upgraded to it, and are you getting it instead of your Glam Bag? So this is in replace of that. Just give me a shout, let me know. Again, thanks for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.